Previously, we learned how to generate a standard feed using your standard attributes for your Google merchant account using the cart product feed for WordPress. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the other steps you might have to take if you're not using standard attributes. In this product, I'm not going to use the standard attributes. In fact, I have no attributes listed whatsoever. I'm going to scroll down here to custom fields. I'm going to save something there. I'm going to call it ears. Actually, let me use a lowercase on that. Case is important, just so you know. And I'm going to put a value for this particular product for the ears, and I'm going to call that product, that value, let's see here, McDonald's. Alright, get everything saved and updated. Over to the feed. What we need to do here is we need to make a special case that the ears will be equal to G:brand. Which that's not brand. So now we have carrier maps to brand, and we have ears also mapped to brand. Update, don't forget to click update, and then we get the results. The results are that the brand attribute now correctly appears using the custom field that I just mapped, and for the previous product, brand still maps to the standard attribute that I had mapped earlier. So I can actually map from different fields into the same G-brand area, which is extremely important if you have a mixed type of merchant account. This works not only for custom fields, it also works if you're using the brands, the WC brands. In this case here, I can map, for example, the sprinters into the brand. So if I delete my custom field, I'll be able to get sprinters to come out. Let's walk through that. Custom field ears was mapped to brand. Remove custom field ears and use the WC brands, that's the Woocommerce extension, and I'm going to use sprinters instead. Over here, I need to add the new brands modifier. So that's going to be brand. That's going to take it out of the Woo themes extension and put it into brand for me. Get the feed. View source. And sprinters now comes out successfully as we wanted. So how did I do that? I added this new field, taking it from the WC brand extension and saving it into the G brand field in the feed. You can map all sorts of attributes into the same field in the feed. For example, tags. Some people are using product tags as brand. Alright, so let's put a brand here. For example, Rogers Wireless. Alright, come to this side. See where it says brand? Instead of mapping brand, we map tag. And that tag will be taken and be used as G-brand in the field. We can also use a kind of like default brand. Default brand, everything is equal to socks. Get the feed. View the source. And what do we see? We see that the brand is AT&T in this case. We see that the brand is sprinters in this case because it's using the WC brand field. However, in this in this fourth case, we see that it uses socks. It couldn't find it anywhere else. It looked under WC brands, it looked under custom fields, and it looked under standard attributes. It didn't find it. It used that default. That default was socks. We told it that, you know what, if you can't figure anything out, just simply use socks.